everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. So in this fall season I wanted to create a very glittery and yet simple fall eyes makeup look that you can wear with any of your fall outfit or any of your fall makeup. So if you want to learn how to do this look, please keep on watching, and before we begin, please subscribe to my channel. For today's eye makeup look, I am going to use the SFR Colors eyeshadow palettes. This has really beautiful colors. First I am going to take the concealer. This is the Swiss Beauty concealer. I am in the shade 02, which is a bit lighter than my own skin tone, but this is a trick. When you apply lighter color concealers, your eyeshadows will appear much brighter. So next I'm going to take this really dark deep dark maroonish brown shade. This has a tint of maroon, and then I'm going to place it with the help of a flat shader brush all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to take this lighter brown shade, and then I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to apply on top of that. First I'm going to press the color on my eyelids, and then I'm going to blend little by little. Next I'm taking this yellow color. This is kind of a yellow orchid color, so I'm going to take the color and blend above that orangish brown color shade, and we have to do our blending very well in order to make sure that all the colors are visible. Now after we are done with blending three colors, I am going to repeat all the steps and make sure there is no harsh line between each other. Next I'm taking packed glitter glue and I'm going to apply this glitter shade. This is a really nice copperish color and I truly loved it. When I applied this looked really bright, and I would recommend this eye look for any party or occasion also, because this looks very festive to me. And next I'm taking a gel liner, and with the help of an angular brush I'm going to draw a straight line above my eyelid, and then I'm going to create the wing on the outer V with the help of a liquid liner. And this is how you can draw your wing liner perfectly. After we are done with that, I'm going to apply some kohl pencil in my waterline. Then I'm going to take the brown shade again and I'm going to smudge the kohl pencil a little bit. Next I'm taking mascara. This is by Maybelline and this is a really good mascara. And next I'm going to highlight my brow bone, and make sure that your highlight is well blended. And also I'm going to highlight my inner corners. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think about this look. And thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Till then you can subscribe to my channel and watch other videos of this channel. Thank you.